Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today is Monday, November 3 2025. We are heading to Mr. Granville. So he lives in Mollison in Manchester. We are in Christiana now, so we are heading to see him. We have stopped just briefly at the supermarket just to get him some grocery items from, you know, a donor would have sent money, so we are able to now buy groceries. So that's what we just did. So we are heading his way now. We are praying that the road isn't blocked. We're trying to find out, you know, by asking different persons, but they are not sure. So we're heading in his way. In this area, we don't have as much devastation as in the Trelawney area. So we are hoping that, you know, the road is clear, or that is if it was blocked. So we're hoping we'll be able to get there safely. So the line going that way. It's scared that the trucks are around. This part of the road drop. Whoa. That's what we're finding though, in moving about the different areas to find out like the road. Oh no. You can't see on it? Yeah, a lot of the roads we find, that's what happened to them. Them drop like.
You look solid though.
Yeah man. So we're just passing by Joy's house. Joy's house is good. So we don't know if up here is a name Alison as well.
Come up. Look, come on.
You can see if you see a sign or something.
tree them green on us, you know. Melissa out the door.
I tell you, this strong
Imagine the blind man farm, Melissa come and shop.
Melissa heartless.
Melissa out the door.
Heartless Melissa.
She out the door.
See, Mr. Granville there too, in the farm.
She too out the door.
Yeah, try to
Not impossible. At the directly?
Better watch it from this. The first one, Mazel.
Can't make a mistake with it.
So we have arrived.
We reach, guys. I'll go look for Mr. Granville now.
Okay. Alright. Okay guys, so we reached Mr. Granville. So walking up the hill.
Blow down.
Yeah, Mr. Granville farm was destroyed. All the banana and the planting down. Yam lean over. Only some gungo tree up.
One.
Hello.
I say aya.
Man sound like me
Mr. Who? Mr. Who? But Mr. Granville, you can't walk past them and something or someone.
Yeah, tell you me better. Me a go for that wrong. It's a couldn't find no that is what here.
All the way block.
If the black is
Morning, Mr. Granville.
see that me say the way black up so I couldn't find a place to walk.
Where my shit there?
The machine in the house for that.
So you are walk and chop them off so far?
No ma the I church brother down there so the Michelle, the one brown and down there so.
Oh, he come and help you move
Yes,
them?
come the other morning before me come out and me hear the chopping.
Yes.
And him called to me first and after that he start chop.
Oh.
And he chop it down because everything
Yes.
is black up there, sir.
Yes, man. God bless him because he wouldn't be able to.
Yes, it would take me a long time because my machine could hardly manage it.
Yeah.
I know my shit is something.
They call it builder,
Yeah.
but sharp. So it would give me a hard time to really manage it. And when me come out and chop down everything.
So you're heavy, man?
Huh?
I say you're heavy.
That is that
I'm son of Penny.
You can't move it.
no, I know how much me weigh because
Good
long time
morning.
now, Sister Mish.
That's all.
Yes, that's Sister Mish.
Yes, sir.
How you and the family?
We are good. We're giving God thanks.
They no true man, the life there.
Yes, absolutely.
All gone, but the life no gone.
Yes.
Not true, Brother Basil.
That's all, sir.
All gone. But I hear people holler on the radio, you see, sir.
Oh, God.
That me have to start holler too.
Yes. Disaster.
Me say, sir.
Morning.
Morning.
When you see like,
Morning.
Yes. How are you? Okay, okay.
You saying the hearty?
Yeah.
How you say?
Yeah,
One.
you rough with you? What happened? The storm come. Yeah. So I'm to your house.
You zinc now, Mr. Granville.
Oh,
No, me move the zinc fire, sir.
oh. Okay, okay.
You zinc.
So where you stay now?
all right, Brother Basil, you
We're
know how to do
staying
it.
now.
Just make it, just in
We can't stay there.
your way.
You can't stay there, Brother Basil, because in highway a little, but when me knock on the stick here, sir, when me knock on the wood,
You know if it turn.
I will know how to turn.
Just me a lean up here.
Right, Brother Basil.
Oh no. Clothes on your bed wet up. Oh no. You not no clothes to put on? Oh, one suit. Oh,
Brother Basil, and Sister Mish,
okay.
Sister Michelle,
Yes, yes, Mr.
I'm
Granville.
gonna talk to you. Then you're done. Then you're done. Finish and talk to you and Brother Basil.
Yeah.
Hold on, don't move it. Can't come up now, my boss.
Thank you, Brother Basil. Okay. We are going to the house now. Yeah. Come, Sister Mish.
Yes, man, may I follow you?
Yeah.
What happened to your foot? You hurt it up? Mr. Granville, you hurt up your foot?
No? No, sister, I just do the slippers.
Oh,
Well, me kind of walk, so.
okay.
Yeah. Come, Sister Mish, I'm going to tell you something. My Brother Basil. You don't come back then.
Whoa, it's a bit windy.
Time man, come up.
Come up now, sir?
Yeah, man, step up.
Okay. Not
Up again.
Yeah.
Yeah, neighbor.
Oh, the zinc blow?
Yes, Sister Mish, it blow from where it was.
Yeah, it got to blow down again because it's still very windy.
You remember the pretty little Congo tree out here, sir?
It did it still, but it bent over.
No. Cut off here. Cut off here, so.
Huh?
It cut off.
Yeah, cut off. No go down, let me.
Now go down there. Alright, go on in, Mr. Granville. Boy, very windy still, man.
Oh, yes. Oh, thank God. This is Sister Michelle and Brother Basil.
Which part you want, bro?
Huh?
So you hold the net so straight to me.
I put me
So you hold it so straight to me.
I never know that you went there. I'm putting you card out. You were going to put it on the shelf.
Which part you can't find it? Right behind the door you put it.
Yes, on the shelf here. So we keep it on the table, but just like we can just put it here so now.
And box that.
Right, I'm going to put it
Yeah.
right here.
So
So.
you pass the box.
Yeah.
Alright.
Brother, Sister Michelle?
Yes,
And Brother
Mr.
Basil?
Yes, sir.
I found a band me not going to see yet. And I see you coming here so. We say, Lord Jesus, me say when you look on water. You see my room? water. Water. One girl found down the road there, she has changed around here.
Yes.
And she used to come up here one again, she and her other two sisters. And she come up here and call me and tell me that she coming. And she comes here, she said, where the broom? You see when you look at it? I said, the water high.
Yes.
And she take the broom and sweep. The more she has sweep, I more
water coming.
That time after I stand done, you know. Yeah. And they put her on in there. And she sweep till she couldn't sweep no more. And when me look, little before we come, you know what me have to do to save these windows? I have to take some battle, like the harder battle them.
Yes.
We can go between and brace the window. I one fight ahead, me say, they can brace it because the glass are all leaking. And when I hear the voice, I say, and that next time I come in, that about Monday.
Yes.
And when I brace it, they say, time I come through the whole turbulence there, and they say, we are bracing time, and we brace the window. And you see when two they come, Lord Jesus, me want to like one leave and truck and go back 10 hill.
Yeah.
Yes.
But then me brace the glass and they clear the window.
Yes.
And say, it will lick in the brace still and mash up the glass. And I went in a room under the bed, one minute to go.
No water left on the floor.
No water did not left on the bed as yet. But I hide from the wind.
Yeah.
And shut the door that if the glass leak out, it no splinter don't come inside.
Yes.
And when they listen on the window, Jesus God, and that me can pray and cry now and say, Jesus, it's me alone there. And uncle you there, me can talk to her because I'm the one.
Yes.
And when we start pray and pray to God, and you want him to come like one big old truck, and we say, Jesus Christ, I'm your hand and pray until right through the night. We say, are you reading much about nearly 200 times for the night?
Like you urine are falling out.
So me go up on the bed. So me go up on the bed and to go lie down. Me want urine again. They tell me come up and urine and I go climb up on the bed and I lay down. Not in 2 minutes. Me want urine again.
Yes.
Me say me don't know if that's too much urine water come from in and so.
Yes,
Me say if you buy this time me a father in But a wicked girl. The girl Melissa. Melissa make you wicked, sir. Because you from your left from the girl from Mexico and come like a Jamaica, come mash up with island. What a wicked girl.
She wicked, man. She wicked, Mr. Granville.
Jesus God. What a wicked girl. Melissa, I'm making you with this. Come quite our beautiful island, the land apple bird. The land, then Jamaica land we love.
Yes.
And he left France so far, and I go from Mexico and come here, come mash up the island. Melissa make you wicked little girl.
It's the same like how we sit down and make Melissa come to that, the same way I sit down and make them come take over.
This is better bad, but by the help of God, because you know say God never shape his tail. No way would never Jamaica. The first year me hear the bulletin after it down there, I down a Black River.
Yes.
No house, no let the capital gone. The container with the food at the supermarket, them are thinking everything gone.
Yeah.
A helicopter up here come, they can find no way to drive when they want back with the creep up. When me hear the disaster, when me look some man touch, come by the radio and talk how for them place stand.
Yes.
Not found down there, you know. Other parishes.
Okay.
See, they say whole of them hosts that come up and when they look, not in peace or living anything. People did their teeth at the same time.
People want to have house about take up zinc.
Yes. You fridge in the house there, where you might left, when you come back, it's gone. You store.
One man I say, people have deck house that take up zinc.
Yes. No sell them, I go sell them.
Sad.
What a wicked set of people then.
Sad. Sad. We should be lifting up each other, not trying to tear down, you know?
Yes. Then me then hear Sister Michelle and Brother Baswell. And because one church sister come, she and her two son and daughter, and then bring dinner for me.
Yes.
And more than one time. And more than one time.
Good.
And I think I hear the calling, you know, the banana when me I cut here. They say, when I give them one hand off a head. They live right down there, so. So they hear call. For me say, me no, they don't have any banana.
We have banana, so you can't give
have
them.
banana?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, me no give them the whole head together.
Yourself, if you not give them,
They can't share it for you and
if
them.
you not give them all the save some place.
Oh, yeah.
But you never know.
Yes.
Yes.
And after this time, I walk, I could have different parts to find the young hill them. And I grab them and look them up beer, then we ready by December.
Oh, them start here or somewhere?
Yeah, come long and did it.
Yes.
Then we ready, then some, because some plan before some. So some we ready for December.
Okay.
I'm so glad for Sister Michelle and Brother Badwell.
Yes.
They say I don't have no phone to call, no, but
Come to your phone because we were calling you long before the hurricane every day and it don't ring none at all.
why you would pan down there so me charge it all the time. You come and take it on the radio because before this time
Yes.
and go charge you both of them. So that's why we couldn't hear what go on the radio.
Yeah, but we are called long before the hurricane come. We're not getting you any at all.
And myself, if calling and I can't get no one at all, it don't even ring.
When? Since the hurricane? Before?
Before. Well, since the hurricane here, to me was everything.
Everything down.
Yes. It was everything down. And no contact at all.
Yes.
So we uncle God, thank God say we are alive.
Yes, yes. All the time.
For the one standing part, the first time the experience is one they called Charlie. That is 1951.
Yes.
That time I was 1 year old. Probably about 1950.
Yes.
And the first time, that time I was a baby, so I couldn't even talk. But me see what I go on. And my mother run with me from up my house, so we born up there, so. And run go down and my granny out there, so. Because the whole of the property from down there, gully go straight up on the hill. I'll be easier over them house there. My uncle said, the whole of them place there. I did to my granny. We over the top of the hill. And my mother run with me go over my granny, and when me look the house that we was in, it flat, it was a three bedroom, but it was like a dirt house. And at the time the Marl and Smith wasn't there yet.
Yeah.
So everybody house I did Wackland Dab, you call it. With white line, you mix up the white line at the cement.
Yes.
And the red dirt, and you mix it up and you take it and you
Plastered, like for the wall?
Yes.
Oh.
You do it, make it as the concrete.
Yeah.
The build up.
Okay.
And you have to use some wood now, some little small wood like this.
Yes.
And put stuff to hold it as like a steel. And everybody house was like that.
Okay.
And when I look, the house flat. If my granny, if my mother never moved with me, the whole I would have dead.
Yes, so Charlie was bad.
Yes, mom. That was the first time I
51 storm.
51 storm. That time I was 1 year old. And you see, after this storm over, we have one big sex church on there, so there my mother used to go. I dear me in Christmas.
Yeah.
And she, the pastor come and build back a house for away.
Okay.
Build back one house. So that house is growing and now till we go to school and everything.
Yeah.
And when me look, me see one guinea tree. Well, me must about 2 years old now. Me see one guinea tree lean so. But he big body and he lean so. That's the only tree me could go up like a little baby and hang up on a swing so. Like a little baby because through the low, they just hang up on it. And maybe to 2-year-old baby and me a swing. Me a say then remember something.
Yeah.
Remember the first pair of shoes me mother and father buy me one Saturday and carry me. One Christmas.
Yes.
One brown shoes too.
They buy if you want Christmas.
Yes, you want Christmas.
So how you get it?
Huh?
How you make them get to you?
My mother, they buy this.
Them a Christmas is fall out, so they give you.
No.
You said should they buy for Christmas.
Oh.
So you Christmas fall out, so you get it.
You know, Christmas time we are going to get something special. We are going to get something special for Christmas.
Yes.
And yourself you get it for Christmas.
And a true.
Yes.
And thank you for correcting me.
Welcome, sir.
And when we look, we get a pretty pair of brown shoes. And when my father, they named Joe, and my mother named Louise, and he said, my father said, Louise, put on the shoe and the boy put me with it. But I mean, I did. I took the journey. Saturday evening, night I come to, and when he put on it, and it fit me nice, brown shoes too. And when it fit me nice, you see when I'm going to take it back off on my foot?
You don't want to come out?
It make it bad. Make it bad. And when they start bad now, then let me keep on me. And you see when they are sleeping at night, they take off. When they are sleeping at night, they take it off. Because they couldn't take it off when they not sleep. How that bad only one place. Yes, and that's the way it did stay. And now me are 70. Next January me are 76. Yes, me are 76. January coming.
Going good.
And me see I pass through some dead. I pass through some dead road. Well, my name come over radio say me dead. When me just Percy Junior Hospital, come out over here.
Yeah.
How me dead over RJR. And when me
So how do you work about you so make everybody have to know say you were dead?
when me dead. Well, it's a long story. When I in the Percy Junior Hospital, everybody when them take me up. They think it about a dead man. When we look in Manchester Parish Council inspector, we'll call him the chief inspector of the Manchester Parish Council. He was my co-worker, because that time I was working with the parish council, Manchester Parish Council. And when we look, the inspector of police, the high one of Mandeville, and he missed him round me the morning around the hospital bed, and the chief inspector, the parish council, and one other police really built the last house, he would be up there, so, but he's a policeman, but he's a carpenter.
Yes.
And he built the house at him. And he when the chief inspector and the inspector of police, his mother died now. And me hear when the pastor, the policeman, they know my mother good. He said, yes, he died. When he said, she, if I never she, my mother, me no stand up here, so no. But when my father died, I want the whole world to hear this story. I want the world to hear this story. When my father died, my mother and my father, we grew with them together. And when my father died, me and my mother, and me had a bigger brother, he died now. And my mother said to me, say, stop it, talk to your father. That before anybody come and take him out and carry him away, and before he put water upon him and everything, he said, talk to your father. So me start to cry now. Because I don't know what to talk to him say. And he's not alive. He said, talk to him, stubborn. And me start crying, me don't know what to say to him. And when me look, until they come and then take him and then carry him down to the parlor. And my mother go back now long after. And she come to me one day. She have a brother live down in Harry Watch, and she go visit the brother, and one time she come back to me and she said, Staffy, me find one other Jew. That I want to make that part, my father. Like my father? And he said, find one other Jew and must come and know him. And she get married after, because she not live long there and unmarried. And she get married and she said, Tappy, leave here and come where it is. And me no go. But joy of me born now, me kind of know, and me just there. And when me don't know, my mother have a thing they call asthma, because they killed my sister. I kissed me on anything you seen? Asthma, where she had blow, she have to sit down up, the pillar high and she have blow, can't see her way down the road there and hear her. And that was the same thing with my mother too. Is asthma. So my mother gets the asthma now. After she married, long after she married, and me look for them, me go and come. Sometimes I sit down there and sometimes I come back up, I out up here. So. And one time, me go down there and the shop did that on madam, we sit down there. And he says, Stafford, tomorrow, see that lady out there, so you have a friend where they out there. But she and away. And she said, see that lady tidying me. And he said, then Mama, after we carry, he said, you have go to the doctor in the morning. And he said, then when you go to the doctor, we are going to bring you back home. He said, no, the nurse will take care of him. So after that, now the lamp brighten up her room. The father and her husband sit in one room. They said, no, she had one sit in one little room. Yes, sir. But the two rooms are near. The man can't look at her in a room. They used to sleep together. But since the sickness there, and when you know me in one room, yes, sir. And one little boy, where the man did adopt. And me and Likkle boy and that's sleep. So when we look now, we sleep and wake, me no hear mama again. Me no hear that sound there. So me say to myself, either mama get better or he die. That is what me say to myself. And before me go to bed, she said, must keep the lamp bright and make it just as it is bright. It was a lamp in the shade. And because when we wake up, me no hear her in the night. About 1 o'clock in the night, me no hear her. So me say, the mama get better instead. And gets up and me go in her room. And me looking, he lie down. When I went to church out and one all up and he must smile. And he have danger. And he lie down and inside and he must smile. And me say, Mama, me no hear no sound. Me go in the room to her husband. Me say, Mr. Hall, Mama dead, And he come and he say, Miss Lou, you know, hear no sound. He say, oh boy! I'm dead bad. Me say, no, Mr. Hall, wait till the right. And he said, Likkle boy, go, because he demand family, then knock up at the road up there, sir. Yeah. Not far from there. And he said, Likkle boy, 9 go there. A big boy! Big boy, where he want can go anyway. And he said, him go up the road, go tell that they set a family. And go down and mama, and they say, go down after mama brother now. Go tell him, and one whole the two sides of family come. The man side of family come, and the uncle and the family come. and then get things together. And you know, my mother was saying to me now, so after, before anything else, before me even call to the man, the husband, and then say, Mama did, we could say, Mama, I want you to guide me here. Yes, because me is sure they talk to my father. So me say, me I go talk to my mother, no. And me say, Mama, me want you to guide me here. And you see, after, that's why the inspector them asked if my mother alive. Because when they look the day when me then I go dead, two little baby in their khaki pants just come drop down in front of me and 7 guns they on me so, and they had a chimble. A chimble to go shoot me. And if I never talked to my mother, I wouldn't be here today.
God save him, man.
Huh?
God save him.
Yes. These 2 angels just come from nowhere. And just go drop down and stand up right in front of me. You see when me look so pan the gunman then 7 of them and they got them just a chimble so.
Gonna chimble, so you're gonna get nervous.
Yes, and the man them had a chimble same time too. And me hear when they just say, hold your fire! Hold your fire!
Yeah.
That today see, you know?
Yeah.
They truly pick them up, come right up in on me now, when you can't see them and come up in on me and they say, gun hold on me and they picking them and come up in on me so and it's serious. Now I smile and we just do so. And just light up from my side. And I never know me said about 10 o'clock in here. And I never know me said till 11 o'clock the next day. So they come very at the same time say me dead because they believe say
True, I did dead, because you're not dead.
Yes. So, Mr. Granville, so remind the persons who are listening, what did happen, why the gun ended up pointing at you?
Well, I did tell you this story.
Yeah, you tell us, but for those who hear half of the story, you just explain, they may be wondering, what did happen, you know?
Oh, they did lock me up for nothing at all. But they locked me up for, it was nothing like that, and when life said then, and we can't go back and tell it then, when we want the whole world be here. But from Jamaica to the world, we want to here. I was working with a man. The man is the farming, and I was working with him, and doing all the farming, here comes the farming, and we had and 2 more men was doing all this work, and when I take a stop now, and we have done everything to him, and one, you have to call it here, 3 young head, you call it Lucy. Mr. Red, I don't want 3 head, and I know, I do take it, you know? Which is the one I parade. If they want you can get out 20 and more man. Because you do everything. And we take the 3 head. And we carry come out. I say, what? After me plan come already, no want it. Me take you and you one of the best friend. The best friend, you know? When we say the best friend, good friend, they visit me. And me say, when me take a start, a police me come. And when the police come, they carry me, say, the man sorry, go to me come out. And when we look, the police lock me up. The judge say, me a charge for last minute of 3 young men. And when we take a stop, filling carry backward, it wasn't loose, it didn't call it. So you see when the poor person that we did give, it bear back, little young pan is like, because of this year, when you cut it off, it's straight back.
Yeah.
So they were some little young so. The man cut off and the pure because here they were there so. And the police carry the tree because here backward. And when he look, no, just treat the here in Caribou. That's a different man, run the ground and come there within 20 days dead. So the man don't come at court. Neither the man who was working with, now the man when he came. Because he run the gun.
So you are running too?
So, the world, when they look now, the man sweetheart come at court. And she didn't talk. And when the judge said, okay, I'm going to give you 2 years. Just like that, And nobody no come and say anything. So when he said, give me 2 years now, I went the one world to hear this from Mr. Stafford Granville, Jamaican born. And when I take a staff, nobody no come and court. I will come to see that, I see that didn't talk. And when I look now, I hear the judge, but I Chinese. And we are laughing you and tell you well now. Because the man laugh all the time. He handsome too. And he said, man, sit down by the chair in a suit and he said, all that Mr. Grant, I'm going to give you 2 years. And then they look, they say, and take him away. And when we get to a family veranda now, here the police are walking with me because to me working in the town, I was working with parish council. So after me resigned from the parish council, now we want to help the commandant, no one again. And when we take a staff, by the time I go, quite about family veranda, the police say, can you come here and drink with the other the party them and about this man. And by the time he sees so, and we just pull out on the real so, and you like bloom over there so. They jump way down.
They take a leap of faith.
Yeah, sometimes because nobody else and no one I have a deck.
Yes.
And if you string on that, you tell them hold me. But you want to let me go by and about.
Yes.
And after you let me go now, we drop a dirt. And when we drop a dirt, we hold on the shoulders here, tear up on the North Star. And hold on the shoulders, tear up on the hold up here, Mr. Run class one, play the engine, one play the clutch up, put it in there. And we run past the engine and jump over one wire test now over the school, the junior school. And they jump over there now, we go jump on some rough rock stone. When the road goes up on the lawn, and get up, so we go run, but then the face turn to where the sun rises, And when we go to go run, this time we say lean so. So we said, wait, how we lean so? And when we go them hold on the I'm not going to turn around so. And we turn around the neck, we see go and we put on shape, and we say good. And we go them just a chin down the hill when the judge said, hold your fire, hold your fire. So when we take a stop now, by the time do that, he said that when they look, you see, they picnic them just come right in, and every picnic in our school like a lesson. And then they just come right before me as well. And I come up in me, and when they say them, I come straight up in me now, with the two slow. And lie down. And when they lie down now, when you see I put here now, Papa, and he turn up so, in the shoe, and he turn now down on the ground. And he say, why? So told me now, we should make this and the next year 11 o'clock. I work in, but I said, you say, oh, go talk here, train and go and go back and do it my way. And when they wake up, we see people from all over Jamaica come to this demand. Because we the broadcast of area. Everybody from all over Jamaica come. And we me here and the cover up, I'm going to look, say, oh, they know what I did. And he bandage up, and me and I blanket, and when they look, so we come in there, and said, please, man, get your boat and go down. And I did security, no wild guard me. He said, see this thing. After I tell people, they will come to me. And say, really, person that your body could go. And they say, go and ask him.
Yes.
Oh,
But then I'm human. And they go that, they don't know they are. Like security, no more that.
Oh boy.
And people die, they can be like we like a code of whole thing. People from all over Jamaica carry things, come here, come give me. That me have here give way to some of the people, then we can see them people.
Mr. Granville.
It look like, you know, I will go today.
I don't know how I know when it takes a mission now. Both of you laugh.
Yes.
Because I love it.
Yes.
Because I want the world to hear where Taffy go through.
Yes.
And still stand up here strong.
You're strong, man. You're strong. You're strong.
So we noticed I tell you the whole story today. I mean, they didn't tell us already still when we first met, but somehow.
They didn't tell all the story. And it's all of it today.
No, we'll save some for one next time.
Huh?
We'll save some of my story for one next time.
Oh, so you save some for next time?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I do because I can do that's what I let to come.
Yes.
The day I let to come.
Yes.
I'm so glad. Sister Michelle and Better Bad that I'm not here today and that I can share this story with you.
Yes,
and
man.
to the world.
Yeah.
I'm Jamaica to the world.
I remember Faith big up the donor.
Oh, we never said it to him yet.
No, we never came here.
We never said. So we. Oh no. Okay, so Mr. Granville, we have a donor who donated some money, and we were able to buy grocery for you. In fact, she donated before the hurricane, but we just did not get to go and do the pickup. And then immediately after the hurricane, the ABM machines were not working, so we couldn't get it. So we get it this morning, and we purchased the groceries, so we bring it for you. All right, so this is from Blessings, and as usual, we have to say thanks to Blessings. You always donate and help us, to carry out the work that we are carrying out, and help us to support the elderly. So we thank you so much. And we want to say thanks to all the other donors, everybody who has been reaching out and supporting the work that we do. God bless you richly, and we do appreciate it.
Yeah.
And to all the donors that donate things, but it's not for me special.
This one is for you special.
One donor.
Yes, one person.
Blessing.
The donors that donate things to Stafford.
Blessings, Janine.
Keep blessing and your family not taken away.
Yes.
And I hope then when you are well after many stuff. Oh, I know it's all right over there. When we Jamaica here, we go to the doctor. And I hope it is well we are more. And we can reach the bless and keep and guide and protect you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Till the next time. God bless you all.
All right, well said. All right, everybody, until next time, this is your end of video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye.